Hello everyone. In this video we will understand how to perform drag and drop action. So how to drag a particular element and drop it on particular element. This is what we will learn in this. So for that we are using, this is the URL of the website. We'll go to PyCharm and type code for the same. First of all, common commands, driver, assign, WebDriver, import this, last package we need. This time let's do it with Chrome. So Chrome driver.get. I have to open the URL also, and the URL is, let's copy it from here, Control C, and in inverted quotes let's paste this, driver.find element. So what I'm going to do now is I'll find element for both of them and store it in a particular variable. Let's see how we do it. So we'll store it in particular web element. So here, this is column A, this is the ID. So Control C, and I'm gonna write by, import this also, by dot ID, and the value for this ID is this. I will store it in source variable, just to understand better. Now I'll make one more variable that is called target, where I'll drop it. So which one is my target element? So I will write driver dot find element, again by dot ID, and let's see what is the ID for target. That means where I'm gonna drop it. So let me close this. Here, inspect element, and this is ID, column B, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it here, comma in inverted quotes, Control V. So this is my source, this is the target. In order to make it simple, I wrote it like this. Otherwise you can directly use this in a code also, but this gonna make code little cleaner and organized. So that's why I just stored this in a variable. Rather than using this line, I'll use a variable. So now we have to control the mouse action. So see here, this is the action of the mouse only. We have to control the mouse to drag it and drop it over here. So whenever you deal with the action of mouse, class you will be using is ActionChains. This is the class which handle all the movements of mouse. So I'll be using this class. So for that, I'll write one reference variable, actions assign action chain, and in brackets you always pass driver. See, this is the parameter you need to pass here. So driver, whatever reference variable you have given. If you have given driver, then driver. If you give something else over here in the reference variable, you can use that here. Alright, now I'll write actions dot drag and drop. First you will write, see here, first you will write source web element. Guys, if you have not stored it in this variable, you can simply write driver.find element by dot ID and this value first. But right now I have stored it in a variable, so I can simply write source, comma, target. So target is this. So I will write target. And you know, whenever you perform any action with the help of action chains, at the end you complete it with perform. That's all. Let's execute it and see the result. So this opened the browser, dragged and dropped. So if you want to see it, you want to wait for it, you can write here time.sleep, wait for 5 seconds, and then close the browser. So driver.close. It's just going to show you result in little. See here, it dragged and dropped, the location changed, and now the browser will be closed. This is the code to perform drag and drop. I hope you understood that. Please practice to get more confidence. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.